Welcome to the Ultimate Riddle Challenge. You have 5 seconds to solve each riddle. Let's see how many you can get right. Let's begin. Riddle 1. What has a bed but never sleeps? Think fast. Time's up. The answer is river. Riddle 2. What can you hear but cannot see or touch? Time's up. The answer is sound. Riddle 3. What has a head and a tail but no body? Time's up. The answer is coin. Riddle 4. What gets bigger when more is taken away from it? Time's up. The answer is whole. Riddle 5. What can fly without wings? Time's up. The answer is time. Riddle 6. What has many letters but starts empty? Time's up. The answer is mailbox. Riddle 7. What goes up but never comes down? Dot. Time's up. The answer is age. Riddle 8. What has no mouth but speaks? Time's up. The answer is echo. Riddle 9. What is always in front of you but can't be seen? Time's up. The answer is future. Riddle 10. What has 4 legs in the morning, 2 in the afternoon, and 3 at night? Time's up. The answer is human. Riddle 11. What has an eye but cannot see? Time's up. The answer is needle. Riddle 12. What can you hold in your right hand but not in your left? Time's up. The answer is your left hand. Riddle 13. What gets sharper the more you use it? Time's up. The answer is brain. Riddle 14. What has legs but doesn't walk? Time's up. The answer is table. Riddle 15. What has ears but can't hear? Time's up. The answer is corn. Riddle 16. What gets bigger the more you take away? Time's up. The answer is whole. Riddle 17. What can travel around the world while staying in a corner? Time's up. The answer is stamp. Riddle 18. What is always in front of you but can't be seen? Time's up. The answer is future. Riddle 19. What has a heart that doesn't beat? Time's up. The answer is artichoke. Riddle 20. What has words but never speaks? Time's up. The answer is book. Riddle 21. The more you take, the more you leave behind. What are they? Time's up. The answer is footsteps. Riddle 22. What has one head, 1 foot, and 4 legs? Time's up. The answer is bed. Riddle 23. What is full of holes but still holds water? Time's up. The answer is sponge. Riddle 24. What can you break without touching it? Time's up. The answer is promise. Riddle 25. What begins with T, ends with T, and has T in it? Time's up. The answer is teapot. Riddle 26. What comes once in a minute, twice in a moment, but never in 1,000 years? Time's up. The answer is letter M. Riddle 27. What is so light that even air can't hold it? Time's up. The answer is breath. Riddle 28. What has a ring but no finger? Time's up. The answer is phone. Riddle 29. What is always running but never moves? Time's up. The answer is time. Riddle 30. What has an eye but cannot see? Time's up. The answer is needle. Riddle 31. What goes up and down but stays in the same place? Time's up. The answer is stairs. Riddle 32. What has a bottom at the top? Time's up. The answer is legs. Riddle 33. What is orange and sounds like a parrot? Time's up. The answer is carrot. Riddle 34. What can you hold without touching it? Time's up. The answer is conversation. Riddle 35. What has branches but no fruit or leaves? Time's up. The answer is bank. Riddle 36. What can fill a room but takes no space? Time's up. The answer is light. Riddle 37. What has a tail and a head but no body? Time's up. The answer is coin. Riddle 38. What is always coming but never arrives? Time's up. The answer is tomorrow. Riddle 39. What has cities but no houses? Time's up. The answer is map. Riddle 40. What has keys but no locks? Time's up. The answer is keyboard. Riddle 41. What is black when clean and white when dirty? Time's up. The answer is blackboard. Riddle 42. What has a spine but no bones? Time's up. The answer is book. Riddle 43. What gets sharper the more you use it? Time's up. The answer is brain. Riddle 44. What is easy to lift but hard to throw? Time's up. The answer is feather. Riddle 45. What can you see once in a year, twice in a week? Time's up. The answer is letter E. Riddle 46. What has a bed but never sleeps? Time's up. The answer is river. Riddle 47. What is always hungry but never eats? Time's up. The answer is fire. Riddle 48. What has no life but can die? Time's up. The answer is battery. Riddle 49. What has 4 wheels and flies? Time's up. The answer is garbage truck. Riddle 50. What goes up but never comes down? Time's up. The answer is age. Great job! How many riddles did you solve? Comment your score and don't forget to subscribe for more fun challenges.